Hey guys, it's been a long time since I uploaded the last video. I think it's been months already. So what I have been doing since then was trying to build this 3D printer. The commercially available ones that on the internet or in the marketplace was not satisfied with their whatever they offer, and also they're like closed. If something happens, I'll have to buy from them, and maybe those, if they are not available, then I'll not be able to repair it. So I thought I should build one, a better one than the most commercial ones. I needed a larger build volume, but the heating elements or the heating pads, they were really expensive if you wanted a bigger build volume, like bigger heat bed. So I thought I should use nine of these. These each one has 22 centimeters side. It's a square, so it's like 66 centimeters into 66 centimeters. The metal sheet that you see here is a GI sheet. That means it has a zinc coating. It's just iron, but there is a zinc coating on it which prevents it from rusting. So this is 2 millimeters thick GI sheet, and it's actually doing really good. And now I'm lining up the wires for the heat beds. So there are 9 heat beds, so there are 9 wires, 9 positive and 9 negative silicone wires, and they have silicone instead of PVC, which lets them tolerate higher temperatures. As in this case, the temperature could easily reach above 100 if we are trying to print ABS or other materials like nylon, maybe polycarbonate. Now that's all the wires soldered to the heat beds, or the 9 heat beds, and now I'm attaching temperature sensors. These are NTC 100K thermistors. I want to control the temperature of each of these heat beds using Arduino and maintain an average temperature and variation of maybe 5 degrees across these heat beds. And also I could limit the power that these heat beds draw from the power supply so that they don't damage the power supply, because the power supply could supply them all, but I don't want to draw full current. I don't want to max out the power supply. Here you see me using ceramic fiber blanket. I'm using this so that I can limit the heat loss from under the bed, so that it's shielded, thermally shielded, and much of the heat is used for heating the chamber and keeping the temperature of the bed. So if you're making something as big as this, you should consider shielding everything thermally. Otherwise, you will have to use a lot of power just to maintain a temperature, and the room that you place this 3D printer will heat up so fast. I have marked the wires with tape so that corresponds to each of the bed, and also the thermistors wires from the thermistors, so that when I connect them to Arduino, I can match them to the respective heat beds and control them appropriately. I'm using this aluminum foil. This was a really bad idea, and also I used this aluminum tape. It tears so fast, like so easily. This was not a good idea. I don't recommend using this. Aluminum, maybe Captain Tape would have been much better choice, but I didn't have at the time at this time when I was doing this. I did have a smaller one. You will see me using it. Also, it's very important that you wear gloves and also mask. This fiber blanket, you don't want to mess with this. This will cause so much harm to the lungs, and also if you have this on skin, that's really bad. I don't want to say what will happen. It's really bad. If you work with this, it's best not to work. If you have to work with this thing, it's best to protect yourself from this nasty thing. So you'll see me using this gloves all the time while doing this, because there could be some that has gotten onto the surface, onto the floor, which I don't want to have on my hand. Yeah, here is the Captain tape. It's a very small one. I could not cover all of it, but from under the bed, there will be another metal sheet, the GI sheet that I used here. There will be another one. It's kind of okay, but I could have done better. This is my 3D printer's frame. You can see the hole through the bottom plate of the down the bottom plate, and I'm placing the heat bed that we just made. And now I'm pushing all the wires through the hole of the bottom plate so that I can wire on the bottom of the 3D printer. I'll show you the wiring and Arduino control in the next video. It's actually done as of now. I'm almost near to making my first 3D print. Making the videos is taking long, and for the surface for the heat bed I'm using 12 millimeters tempered glass. It's not borosilicate. I could not find it anywhere near,